Welcome to Career Connections video tutorial series. This series was produced to show you, NOVA students and alumni, how to use the features and tools offered in Career Connection. Career Connection is NOVA's online college-wide career service management system, where employers and the career services team post jobs, internships, and more to support students in their career development. This tutorial series will focus on how to do the following to properly use Career Connection: how to log into Career Connection, how to use the Resume Builder feature, how to effectively search for jobs and internships, how to effectively search for employers, how to also search and attend career development events, and finally, how to effectively utilize resources and the mock interview tool feature. After watching this series, you will be able to utilize Career Connection to further your career development by setting up your profile, building a resume, using the resource library, and searching for jobs, internships, employers, and events. So go ahead and get started.